Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Warmwind OS and Ubuntu AI. Warmwind OS and Ubuntu AI are both designed to support productivity and automation. Warmwind OS is like having a smart digital assistant that works for you 24/7. It can click, type, and move around apps just like a human, so you don't need to write any code. You can simply tell it what to do, like send emails or update spreadsheets, and it does it automatically. It works with tools like Gmail, Slack, Google Docs, and more, even with software that doesn't have APIs. It keeps running your task even when your browser is closed. Everything is stored safely on German cloud servers and follows strong privacy rules. Ubuntu AI is a version of the Ubuntu operating systems made especially for developers working with artificial intelligence. It gives you the tools you need, like Python, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, to build smart apps and machine learning models. It's open source, fast, and secure, making it great for both beginners and experts. You can run Ubuntu AI on your computer or in the cloud, providing flexibility for various projects. Many researchers and developers choose it because it's reliable and widely supported. It's not built for automation like Warmwind, but it's great for creating powerful AI systems from scratch. Overall, Warmwind OS is better for no-code task automation, while Ubuntu AI is better for hands-on AI development. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.